currently at work. It's dead, so I'm upstairs eating my food. I have some shrimp mac and cheese and some green beans that my baby made me before I left. I should have warmed it up, but I don't even care. This is so good. I still don't want to be here. I'm still on my period. Still don't feel good, but here I am. Love that for me. So freaking good. I just got my nails done today. Baby pink with chrome unicorn powder. So cute. I'm going back short for a while because the long was just starting to get on my nerves. And these are just giving cute. Like, duh. I need to not get stuffed because then I'm going to be lazy, but what else is there to do? I wish I had some garlic bread. I think I'm gonna be done for now. Bye.